So Netflix is at it again, putting its dirty little mitts all over my childhood. Please, Netflix. I can't handle another live-action remake. I won't survive it. I just can't. So Netflix announced that they were doing a remake of the Winx Club, and Netflix has a track record of ruining good, nostalgic cartoons or anime that are just nestled right there into my heart. They take characters that were super important to little girls like me growing up in the 2000s who were just looking for representation of any kind, and basically just murdering them right in front of us. I don't know who's in charge over there, but we need to talk. We need to talk. No more decisions are to be made without consulting. What did they decide to do? They decided to give us a dark, moody take while also taking the characters that were canonically people of color and whitewashing them. And then also giving them the worst outfits. And I just don't get this obsession of turning things that were previously light and fun into like something dark and edgy. Like, I already live in the dystopia, girl. I don't need more of it. I don't need to see it on TV and live it in real life. I need some escapism.
It also doesn't make any sense because Y2K fashion is so in right now and so accessible to so many people, and they could have been like the next Euphoria. What is wrong with them?
Anyways, rant over. I just want to talk about the outfits that I think that they would wear in a good 2020 remake. And obviously these are just like inspired by outfits, they're not cosplay, and just things that I think they would wear. So let's go. Okay, so the first look that we're gonna do is Flora, and let me remind you of this queen, and let me show you who they casted her as. Something's wrong here. Something is wrong. They did her dirty. Okay, original Flora was inspired by J-Lo, and they casted this white woman. What's not clicking? And they also changed her name from Flora to Terra. So Flora wears a lot of pinks and greens and florals for obvious reason, and Miss Terraform over here, her outfit looks like it was inspired by that squishy moss at the bottom of the lake that you touch your foot on it and you're just like, ooh, ew.
Flora definitely has that soft girl aesthetic, like we're gonna go on a picnic date together. So I paired this like puffy sleeve crop top with this tennis skirt, which is super in right now, and then I made this choker, and I also thrifted these shoes that are like so perfect.
So next we're gonna do Bloom. I think Bloom was actually casted well, but like how hard is it to find a beautiful natural redheaded woman? Like, they're all hot, not hard. Okay, but why did every 2000s girl group include a redhead? Like, how many natural redheads do you know in real life? I've seen like 2, and yet they get so much representation.
So Bloom wears a lot of this turquoise teal color to contrast her hair, and this entire outfit is thrifted, and I swear this teal color must have been the Pantone color of 2002 or whatever year this was, because I have thrifted so many things in this color, which is convenient because it matches, but I have had the hardest time styling it. So I'm glad I did this challenge because I never would have thought to pair it with this obnoxiously pink skirt.
Okay, so this is my Aisha look. I think we were all really happy to see a dark-skinned actress actually play this role, but part of me thinks that the casting director was like, we'll give you guys this one thing that you want, and absolutely nothing else. Just nothing else.
Okay, I will have to say this look is really spot on. Like, the t-shirt is the same color, we got the mini skirt that's like this army green color, and weird fact, this skirt is waterproof. I don't know why you would need a like waterproof skirt, but it is. And look, we even have like the same side pockets here. Utilitarian, like that style was super in the 2000s. And then she's also wearing these leg warmers with shoes, and I don't have leg warmers, but they're really in right now as well. I'm also wearing this pink butterfly necklace that I actually got in the 3rd grade, so that's legitimately Y2K.
Now we're doing Stella. I feel like Stella has the same vibe as Flora, but whereas Flora is like a pink flower, Stella is more of a sunflower.
Again, adding as much butterfly and fairy paraphernalia that I can into these outfits because I heard that the characters aren't going to have wings in the show, which is disappointing. I really love this outfit. I could definitely see myself wearing this to like a party in the summertime. And I bought this waist chain just to go with like my swimsuits if I ever like went to a pool party, but it actually looks really cute with everyday outfits. It's like a necklace for your waist. So I'll definitely be incorporating it in future outfits.
Okay, and our last character is Misa, who is canonically Asian, but once again was whitewashed. And I did read on IMDb that the actress that is playing her is a quarter Singaporean, and I do hate to say this as someone who struggles with their biracial identity every single day, a quarter is not enough. Yeah, oh, it hurts to say that, it does. But it doesn't feel like enough, you know? Like, you can't just put space buns and eyeliner. Oh no, I'm doing it! I just like spiraled into another identity crisis. Like every single day I'm like, damn, I'm just like not enough.
Oopsie, sorry, that's what years of invalidation from both communities looks like. But anyways, based on the outfits and her parents and like the things that they put her in, she's obviously not mixed. So she's wearing these super low-rise jeans with the underwear poking out, and I personally will not be participating in this trend. I'm totally down for Y2K to come back, but the low-rise jeans, I'm gonna have to protest that.
So my last look is inspired by Misa's costume in like the later seasons, and I just have to say that this look could only exist in cartoon world because it just doesn't make any sense at all. Is she wearing 3 shirts? It doesn't work.
This outfit doesn't make any sense to me. She's wearing polka dots and plaid, knee-high socks and pumps, closed-toe pumps. No, I'm just gonna wear the plaid skirt and then some other things in my closet and call it a day. I think this outfit is really cute, but it's definitely classified as like that section in my closet of things that I like to wear, but I will never be able to wear in public. Oh look, it's a Hello Kitty Winx Club crossover episode. I also started painting each of the Winx Club members in my own style, so if you guys want to see the whole series, definitely go to my Instagram and follow me there.
Alright guys, that is it for me. I hope you like my looks. If there's any that you thought were a hit or a miss, please let me know. And let's complain about this 2020 remake, okay? Sound off. I love to complain. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.